జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. Aranyakanda. With so much of anger, Sitamma is now responding to Ravanasura, saying that, "Ho Rakshasuda, ho Ravana, my Rama is like such a huge mountain. My Rama is like Devendra. My Rama is like such a huge ocean. Such Rama, I am following him. I am the wife of such great Sri Ramachandra Swami. My Rama, Sarva Lakshana Sampannam. Sri Ramachandra Swami has all kind of great divine attributes. Ho Ravana, my Rama gives shelter to so many people. Satyasandham Mahabhagam. My Rama always speak truth. My Rama is so fortunate person. Such Rama, Aham Ramam Anuvrata. I am following such great Ramachandra Swami, and I am the wife of such great Ramachandra Swami. Ho Ravana, my Rama is Mahabhujam, such a great shoulders he has. Mahoraskam, such a great wide chest my Rama has. Simha Vikranta Gaminam, such a great posture of walking style like lion my Rama has. Ho Ravana, Nrusimham, great man my Rama is. Simha Sankasam, he is lion, he is like lion. Such great Ramachandra Swami. Aham Anuvrata, I am following and I am the wife of such great Ramachandra Swami. Purna Chandra Ananam, his face is like a full moon, always glows with so much of charming. Ho Ravana, Jitendriyam, my Rama has conquered all his senses and keeps all of his senses under his control. Prudhu Kirtim, he has great fame. Such great Ramachandra Swami. Aham Anuvrata, I am following and I am the wife of my Rama. Ho Ravana, whereas you, Tvam Punaha Jambukaha, you are a fox. And you are what you are doing, do you realize what you are doing now, what you are asking, what you are seeking? Simhi Mam Ichasi, you are asking for me, you are seeking me. I am like a female lion. Ho Ravana, as and how you cannot touch the rays of sun, so also you cannot touch me. Ho Ravana, the way that you are seeking me, I can realize that you are inviting your death. Soon you will die. As and how anyone who wants to put his hands in the mouth of lion, such is the act seeking for me. As and how if someone puts his hands in the mouth of big serpent, such similar act seeking me also. Ho Ravana, as and how if somebody wants to put such a huge mountain Mandara in his hands and then go around, such impossible task, and it is very, very dangerous thing that seeking me also. Ho Ravana, as and how if somebody is drinking dreadful poison and after that also wants to be safe and happy, how is that impossible? So also after seeking me, anybody would be happy on this earth is also impossible. Ho Ravana, seeking me is like wiping your eyes with needle. Ho Ravana, seeking me is like you are licking such a huge sharp-edged sword with your tongue. To that extent it is very dangerous to you. Like that, Sitamma warning Ravanasura and also helping him realize how dangerous it is, how terrible it is going to be if he continues seeking Sitamma. Sitamma saying to Ravanasura, "O Ravana, you want to assault Rama's dear wife. You know what? It is like tying a big stone around the neck and trying to cross the sea." While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.